Welcome to lesson 1 in module 2. Here I will make you understand Fiverr ranking, algorithm and Google and sorry not Google and Gig SEO. Alright. So the first thing I want you to understand is Fiverr ranking algorithm is based on your performance basically. If your performance is good, they rank you higher, but how do you make your performance good? I will break it down. Firstly, you have to be very responsive. You have to respond as fast as you can. When you do that, you actually get a badge on your profile immediately. When you respond consistently to about 5 to 10 clients successfully, and those are actually real clients. So not that you message yourself with a different account. If you do that, also you can be lucky. The system does not detect, but these days they detect. So real people messaging you to work with you, you will get that highly responsive badge on your profile or on your gig. Sorry, not on your profile. Below your gig, it will be there. So another thing is, let's just search something different now. YouTube optimization. All right. So here, the like. I'll just pick this random person. I don't know this person before. Let me just pick this one. So before selecting that person, I want to show you something here. There's a huge difference between this gig, this one, and this one. What are the differences? The first thing you will notice is the gig image, which is the first thing every client see whenever they want to purchase any gig. The gig image is enticing, it's attractive, like this one is very good. This one is also extremely crazy because here you have just 48 views, and when you purchase the person's service, you're going to get 10 million impressions. From 60 fixed, fixed, no views issue. As you can see, this person is very straightforward, and the gig image is indicating exactly what the person is going to do. This person is using a very professional space, and I'll play the video now. Okay, it's too loud right now because I just want to be the one to explain, all right? So this person is having a professional space video, which is also very good. If you have good tools and good environment to make your video and talk about your services, it's really good because they know who they're about to connect with, and authenticity is very essential when you are trying to put yourself out there on freelancer, on Fiverr, freelancer, or any other platform. But specifically, this is based for Fiverr, Upwork, and other platforms that you can create something like gig or project catalog. Okay, Quark also, you can also use the same method on Quark because Quark, people tend to relate more with people they could see. And on Quark, clients are not as much as they are on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Okay, so I want you to focus more on those three before you focus on the other ones. All right. So gig image must be optimized. You should make it say exactly what you want to do, and title. You should. If you watch the previous model, you will know I talk about niching down and I break it down very well. As you can see, this person is having I will optimize the SEO of your video, YouTube channel and videos. So this person is basically focused on SEO, YouTube SEO or YouTube video SEO. So anything SEO or anything video SEO, this person will be ranking there, including YouTube SEO. All right. So now I have opened this gig right here, this same person which I talked about earlier. As you can see, it's showing the before and after, before you purchase the service and after you purchase the service. Meaning if you purchase the service, you expect them to get that result for you. All right. And as you can see here, this was 1 year ago. I am very satisfied with the professional work for recommendation. This man knows very well what he's doing. What he is doing his work showed result on 30 day on day 3. Bravo! As you can see, that's a massive review right there. Don't waste your time with order from orders from Fiverr. It is your break. This is your big or break. I don't know what that person means there. But the point is that's a killer review right there. If a buyer can drop that kind of review for you, man, it's gonna get you a lot of sales, alright? So you have to make sure you do the work very well. So remember I previewed some professional and top earners on Fiverr previously. Uh And this person is actually a graphic designer. He's also a trainer. He's a video editor, business growth consultant. As you can see in the description, why Fiverr ranks certain people more than other people. One, their gig description. Two, first it's the title, their gig image, then their gig description. Here in the gig description, this guy mentioned YouTube related words, YouTube SEO, YouTube optimization, everything relating to YouTube I mentioned in this video. Audit, what you're gonna do, how you're gonna do it, what will you get, what will I do, what I need to start. Editor permission is what you need to start. Hi friends, I'm Tommy. I have at least 7 years of experience on YouTube video SEO and growth management. I've worked over 20,000 videos. From my practical experience, I am offering my service. Let's grow together. Note: SEO may take 2 to 4 weeks for your YouTube to re-index the changes and result. Still confused? Still confused? Read frequently asked questions. Alright, that's FAQ. As you can see right there, if somebody is still confused after reading the gig description, it redirected them to engage them. He used this just simple word. Still confused? Read FAQ. So whoever that is confused will simply go to the gig, they will scroll down all the way down here to the frequently asked question. Will my video get will my video get ranked to top search results instantly, and when will I get traffic? My friend, SEO is an organic method to grow your channel and videos. SEO depends on niche, competitor, and more. SEO and more. SEO may take 2 to 4 weeks for your YouTube to index the changes and result. I will do strong SEO for your videos. As you can see, what do you need to start? They're going to tell them and how long it takes. So as you can see, this is a very professional way of making your gig work very well, because you clarify everything those people want and they will purchase your gig massively. And also this option here also helps to improve a gig performance and helps the algorithm to rank them more. Because when clients love your service, they always save you and give you this ad. When they give you this ad, it also says your gig and your service is high quality. Take note, if you do this with multiple accounts that you created with the same device and you do it multiple times, Fiverr will detect, and instead of them ranking your gig, they will derank it. So do not do that. Be patient, deliver high quality work, and those clients you can easily ask them. Even if you don't ask them, they will go there by themselves and save you to the list of the freelancers they still want to work with in future, or currently still want to give you other projects. All right. So in your free packages of your Fiverr gig description, you have to be very specific. Here it said one video, YouTube video SEO. If you just say YouTube video SEO, if I order this, I can literally say I have 10 videos. And he has no choice but to do it or cancel the order. Or you understand? So instead of doing that, he prevented that by specifically mentioning the amount of videos he's going to do by saying one. And here, 5 videos, as you can see. In premium, 10 videos, as you can see. And the prices are totally different from each other, but the same thing will also be done. As you can see, take note, there's consistency. The same thing he says he's going to do here is going to do the same here. The same here also. And the other thing is difference. The difference here is just the amount, the quantity of the video. How many videos, as you can see. The same complete thing is going to do here that is mentioned, that is checklist here, is also the same thing you will do here and here. But the number of video increase and the duration also increase. As you can see, duration is 2 days here. This is 3 days, and this is 4 days. All right. So these are how you optimize your gig from the gig image, from the title, gig image, description, the packages. After the packages, the most important aspect is your profile. All right. You have to make sure your profile is optimized. Like this guy, he mentioned about the YouTube video editor and the designing and his designing expert and everything. So the basic point of everything here is you must make sure your pricing is fair. Don't don't underprice your service and don't overprice it. Just put it in the range where you are satisfied and you know you will deliver the work. Always utilize frequently asked questions to answer people's queries and ensure when they purchase the tool do not have any question left. If they still need more clarification, you can simply add it in your own frequent asked question. For more details about certain things or your service, just tell them to please contact you for more details. Or if you mention here that you need um a TikTok video editor now, okay, just an instance. You mention it in your frequent asked question. Can you also edit TikTok videos? And you answer, yes, I can edit TikTok videos. Kindly message me for a custom offer or for a custom plan based on their requirement. You understand? So that is the way you keep people engaged after reading your frequent asked question, and you also make them make the decision of contacting you. Once you do that phase, the next phase is left to you to convert them. All right. So I hope with this, you are able to understand how the algorithm works and how to make your gig, rank successfully, and how to ensure it is SEO optimized. You have to ensure proper keyword is present, niching down is done, everything is optimized professionally. Do not copy and paste. Make sure you type all the description by yourself. If you utilize AIs for getting ideas, do not copy directly from AI. Just type it, rearrange it. You have this experience, so you add what you know to exactly whatever the AI gives you. Don't just copy and paste because it's a platform. Fiverr is not against copy and paste, but I must tell you from personal experiences, the gig is never gonna perform well. If it does, it's not gonna last. All right. So the best thing for you to have a gig that will run for over 3 years or 2 years plus, you have to write everything by yourself. Make sure everything is professionally done and optimized properly, and then you can have a gig. Just a gig alone can make you any amount. Honestly, I've been there and I'm still there. I know what I'm saying, and this is also a way you can get a gig on first page and keep it on first page for as long as 3, 4 years. I'm serious, you can do it. It's possible. A lot of people say it's not possible, but it's possible. I've seen people do it. I've done it. I've been on so many search tags for about 2 years plus, and I know you can do better. So whoever is watching this part of this lecture, take notes. There's nothing that is impossible as long as you are ready to put in the effort and keep learning. All right. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. And also, before going, remember implementation is very important. Just learning and listening to me alone is not enough. You have to implement this for it to actually work for you. Thank you.